Want to speak English fluently like a native in just 15 minutes a day? Most people struggle with pronunciation and confidence, but this simple shadowing technique changed everything for thousands of learners. Stick around. Today, we're practicing real daily life conversations at home. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Life English Conversation Practice. Listen and repeat. Shadowing. If you're tired of studying grammar books but still can't speak naturally, this video is for you. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, and fluency. You just listen to natural English conversations and repeat exactly what you hear, like shadowing a native speaker. Today, we'll focus on everyday situations at home, waking up in the morning, breakfast with family, getting ready for the day, talking on the phone, relaxing in the evening, and more. How to practice. First, listen to the full conversation. Then, I'll play it line by line. Pause the video and repeat after each line. That's shadowing. Finally, try the whole conversation without pausing. Do this daily and you'll notice huge improvements. Let's start. Section 1. Waking up in the morning. Full conversation. Anna: Good morning, honey. Did you sleep well? Mike: Yeah, pretty good. What time is it? Anna: It's 7:30. Time to get up. Mike: Already? I feel like I just closed my eyes. Anna: Come on, lazy bones. Breakfast is almost ready. Mike: Okay, I'm getting up. Line by line shadowing. Repeat after each line. Anna: Good morning, honey. Did you sleep well? Pause and repeat. Mike: Yeah, pretty good. What time is it? Pause and repeat. Anna: It's 7:30. Time to get up. Pause and repeat. Mike: Already? I feel like I just closed my eyes. Pause and repeat. Anna: Come on, lazy bones. Breakfast is almost ready. Pause and repeat. Mike: Okay, I'm getting up. Now try the full conversation without pausing. Section 2. Family breakfast in the kitchen. Full conversation. Mom: Kids, breakfast is ready. Pancakes and fresh fruit today. Sarah: Yum! Thanks, Mom. Can I have some syrup? Dad: Sure, pass it to me first. How did everyone sleep? Tom: Not great. I stayed up late studying. Mom: You need more rest, Tom. Eat up, it'll give you energy. Sarah: Dad, what's the plan for today? Dad: I'm working from home. What about you guys? Tom: School online. Boring as usual. Mom: Hey, positive attitude. Have a great day, everyone. Line by line shadowing. Mom: Kids, breakfast is ready. Pancakes and fresh fruit today. Kids, breakfast is ready. Pancakes and fresh fruit today. Sarah: Yum! Thanks, Mom. Can I have some syrup? Yum! Thanks, Mom. Can I have some syrup? Dad: Sure, pass it to me first. How did everyone sleep? Sure, pass it to me first. How did everyone sleep? Tom: Not great. I stayed up late studying. Not great. I stayed up late studying. Mom: You need more rest, Tom. Eat up, it'll give you energy. You need more rest, Tom. Eat up, it'll give you energy. Sarah: Dad, what's the plan for today? Dad: I'm working from home. What about you guys? Tom: School online. Boring as usual. Mom: Hey, positive attitude. Have a great day, everyone. Practice the whole thing. Section 3. Getting ready for the day. Full conversation. Hey, Rumi, have you seen my hairbrush? Emma: Yeah, it's on the bathroom counter. Hurry up, we're gonna be late. Lisa: I can't find my keys anywhere. Emma: check your bag. You always forget them there. Lisa, found them, thanks. What should I wear today? Emma, it's sunny outside. That blue dress looks nice. Lisa, good idea. Do I look okay? Emma, you look great. Let's go grab coffee on the way. Line by line shadowing. Hey Rumi, have you seen my hairbrush? Hey Rumi, have you seen my hairbrush? Emma, yeah, it's on the bathroom counter. Hurry up, we're gonna be late. Yeah, it's on the bathroom counter. Hurry up, we're gonna be late. Lisa, I can't find my keys anywhere. Emma, check your bag. You always forget them there. Lisa, found them, thanks. What should I wear today? Emma, it's sunny outside. That blue dress looks nice. Lisa, good idea. Do I look okay? Emma, you look great. Let's go grab coffee on the way. Practice the whole thing. Section 4. Phone call with a friend. Full conversation. Hi Jen, what's up? Hey Alex, just chilling at home. How about you? Same here, working on some stuff. Want to hang out later? Sure, what do you feel like doing? Maybe watch a movie or order pizza? Pizza sounds perfect. I miss hanging out. Me too. See you around 7? Great, bring some drinks. Will do. Bye for now. Line by line shadowing. Repeat each line slowly at first, then faster. Full practice. Section 5. Evening relaxation on the couch. Full conversation. Brother, pass the remote, sis. What's on TV tonight? Nothing good. Let's watch that new series everyone's talking about. Okay, but no horror. I hate scary stuff. Fine, comedy it is. Want some popcorn? Yes, please. Extra butter. Coming right up. Mom said dinner was great tonight. Yeah, her pasta is the best. I'm so full. Me too. This is nice. Just relaxing. Totally. Good night soon? Yeah, early start tomorrow. Line by line shadowing. Repeat after me. Full conversation practice. Section 6. Bedtime routine. Full conversation. Honey, are you coming to bed? In a minute, just finishing this email. Don't stay up too late. You have that meeting tomorrow. I know. Did you lock the doors? Yes, and turned off the lights. Perfect. Sweet dreams. You too. Love you. Love you more. Line by line shadowing. Short and sweet. Great for ending the day. Full practice. Congratulations! You just practiced over 100 natural English phrases from daily home life. If you shadowed along, your pronunciation and confidence are already improving. Do this video every day for a week, then move to faster speeds. Comment below which conversation was your favorite, and subscribe for more shadowing practices. Next time, shopping and work conversations. Thanks for practicing with me. See you tomorrow.